Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And not that this is so dynamic, but it might be one you want to watch going forward. This is BBIO. Now this got absolutely killed yesterday. You can see what happened. Um, this is yesterday's action. So this would have been on Thursday. It closed at 40.62, and then yesterday got all the way down to 13. I wasn't in. I actually wasn't trading yesterday at all, so I'm not sure what happened. But obviously, bad phase three results. However, look what's happening right now. So it's having a bit of a bounce, and why I'm interested is because there were three firms: Goldman Sachs, one of them, Leerink, and I think Wainwright. They have put a $24 price target on this. So we'll see what happens. I actually did trade this one. I traded it on the 13 break. The minute I got over yesterday's high, I decided to, I couldn't have been yesterday, so I guess right here, 13.15. But I decided to take this trade. Did okay, I got in around 13.15. It got up to 13.40. And as it was moving down, I got out of it. But I'm more interested going forward on this one, just to see if these price targets that these three firms have put on it at $24 holds any weight going forward this week. Because obviously it's got a ton of room to move if it wants to. So that is it. I want to get back into the room. In the email you're getting, you'll see that the promo code is still alive. So you can get 25% off using the promo code that you see in the email that you're receiving. And that's off the first month only or the entire year. And so, take advantage of it while it's still there. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.